Hi there. A common problem in Excel is importing improperly formatted tables. Suppose you imported a payroll sheet like this, and wish to obtain subtotals by cost center. You can't build a pivot table due that the employee column is incomplete, and the listing includes totalization rows, which become an obstacle to build pivot tables. QuickRows provides an elegant solution to these problems. Let's create a copy of the listing avoiding the totalization rows. A simple instruction will do the job using the data selection function. We just provide the text to identify the rows to be eliminated, in this case the word totals, and select a negative search option. That's it. Our new listing is a copy of the original, but it doesn't include the totalization rows. Now we can convert the listing into an analysis table with a simple keystroke, Ctrl 3. This new sheet has been created automatically, and provides amazing analytical and operational capabilities. For example, let's fill the empty cells in the employee column. Observe that empty cells have been filled with the previous value. Now let's assign a specific text to the empty cells in the cost center column. Great. Now we can do a simple exercise of analysis with our table. The slicers are a great tool to perform data mining in large tables. For example, let's just select the desired data combination, and press the Update Totals button. Now let's get rid of the headers and slicers with the same keystroke combination to obtain a standard table. To complete the example, we can try a couple of pivot tables. Just select any cell on the desired totalization column, or columns, and press Ctrl 2. You can build either simple or complex pivot tables in a couple of seconds pressing this keystroke combination. All the tables will be linked by the slicers, so you can obtain great results easily. Try QuickRows. You will love it.